Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to summarize long articles or documents using ChatGPT. Let's get started. What you need to do is just copy the article, whether it's from a website, PDF, or research paper. Use a clear prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and type summarize this in simple terms or give me a 3-paragraph summary. You can also ask for a bullet point version. You can also customize it. If you want a summary for school, just say or type summarize this like a student explaining to a class. Or for work, you can also summarize this for a report or meeting. And if it's a really long document, split it into chunks and say summarize each section briefly. You can also ask for key takeaways or main arguments. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.